up everyone, how are you today? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for watching and thank you for dropping by. Nolasco here. In this channel we talk about lifestyle and sneaker related stuff, and if you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing. And today is another sneaker invest today, what we sold on eBay. So I'm gonna share you all the one that I sold on eBay, including how much the profit, how much did I paid for them, a buy cost, and how long did I wait out for holding the item or the sneakers, so I could make more profit, if it's short term, long hold, or how long hold it is. So, and also I'm gonna give you tips and tricks along the way. So without further ado, let's go. Starting off what we sold on eBay for the Jordan 4 retro Levi's denim. It is the kids shoe and is looking for that size 6. So this is it, the Air Jordan 4 retro kids, and size 6. Color is the dark obsidian metallic gold vivid pink, or also known as the Levi's denim, some kind. And here we go. Look at the quality on this one. Boom. Wow, it is really nice for kids, especially some kind of pink color and the denim thing going on. And how much did we bought this one? We bought this one for $32. I sold it on eBay for $94.99 minus 2.9 came down to $92.23 minus the buy cost of $32, so it's like $60. So boom, 190% return of investment, and it is more than twice my money. So this one sitting also more than almost more than a year also. So my target, that's why I was aiming for way so much profit, because it takes so long for this one to sell out, a year or so, but 190% return of investment. Why not, right? Why not? So be patient, just wait out. It will sell out. A good buyer, a right buyer will come down the road and pick this up. So next one, we're looking for the Nike Air Max 2017, and we have the last pair of size 9.5. The retail on this one is $190. We bought it for $59.97 minus the 30%, $42. So we sold it for $118.50 minus the fees, so somewhere $115 minus the buy cost of $42, making $73. So boom, so it's like 170% return of investment. Yay, not bad. Hey, this one's like sitting like almost 6 months, so return of investment of 170. I'll take it all day. All right, next one, another one. We got the Nike React Element 87s right here. If you've seen one of my other videos, I did say that this gonna be listed, because actually it's supposed to be in the collection, but I prefer the one that I bought because I'd like that one, the colors better. But this one, bought this on Nike store, and this is the Nike React Element 87. So we bought this for $99 minus 30%, and is the buy cost is $69. So we sold this for $118.29 minus the fees, $115 minus the buy cost $69. So it's like $46 profit, and coming in like 65% return of investment. Boom. Well, I'm happy. I already got the other pair that I like the color most, so this one, happy to let it go. One, we also sold this one, women's Nike Epic React Flyknit 2. The colorway is the pink purple. We sold the size 9, and we bought this on Finish Line, so no additional discounts. So we bought it for $49. Boom. And then plus tax. So we sold this on eBay $94.99. Buyer pay for the shipping minus fees, so somewhere around $92 minus buy cost of 49, my profit will be $43. So it's like, hey, 90% return on investment. Wow. Who wouldn't want that one? Okay, so this one I've been sitting less than 3 months, so not bad for 90% return on investment. Hey, it's a woman's size, it's a woman's color, and it is a running shoes. It will sell out. Next one, we got the women's Nike Odyssey React. Retail 120, we bought it for $49.99 minus the 30, so it came down to like $35. We sold it for $65.85 minus fees, so and then minus the buy cost of $35, then came down to a profit of $29. It's almost 80% return on investment. So this one sitting like 6 months or so, 80% return on investment of 6 months is not bad. So next one, we sold this Air Vapor Max 2019 retail 190. We bought it for $84.97 minus 30%, so came down to around 59, and we sold it on eBay for 108 minus the fees minus the buy cost, so it's like $46 a profit, so somewhere around 79-80% return of investment. Nice color, nice investment. Got this for like less than 3 months or somewhere 4 months, and getting a 79% return of investment. Not bad. All right, next one, we got the last pair of this one, the Jordan 5 Blaney JSP. Colorway is like the what team is that on the basketball team, but anyway, this is the Jordan 5 Lenny. We got the size 10.5. We bought this one for $119.99 minus the 30% off, so it's somewhere $106. We sold it for $148, and then buyer paid for the shipping minus the fees and the buy cost, so it's like $37.70 return of profit, so somewhere around 35% return of investment. This one sitting less than 3 months or so. We also sold some few things like a t-shirt, and not bad for a plain black, but this one is like a somewhat collaboration of Nike and Bape colorway because of this design on the pocket and also the design in the back. Look at those. Ooh, nice, right? So I bought this one like $24.99, and then they had the additional discount, which is 40%, so it came down to somewhere around $14. And how much we sold this one? We sold this one for $33.25 minus the fees minus the buy cost, so I'm making a profit of $18. So at least like, hey, 125% return of investment for this nice shirt. It's not just simple as black, but hey, some good design with a Bape thing going on the pocket and also on the back. And also it was my size, so I was thinking if I won't be able to sell it, I'll take it. So what do you think on that one? 125% return of investment. So there is another gem that we found in the clothing. So this one is the Jordan short, and look at the embroidered air on this side and the nice touch of golden thing zipper on the back, and also same, both the air on each side stitch. Bought them for how much? Bought this one for $11.97 minus the 30%, so somewhere around $8 for a pair of short of Jordan. Wow, not bad, right? Okay, and we sold this for $28.42, but I believe the retail on this one is somewhere $80, somewhere right there, and we sold it for $28.42 plus the buyer pays the shipping minus the fees and the buy cost of $8.32. I'm making at least $19 profit on this one, so it's like, wow, 230% return on investment. Hey, so don't sleep on your clothing aisle. So sometimes you have to look around also. You don't have to just focus in the sneakers clothing. There is also gem right there, especially shorts, shirt, Jordan short, Jordan pants, jogger, hoodies, somewhere like that. So don't ignore the clothing aisle and clearance aisle of clothing. There is a money to be made on the clothing. So another gem that we found in the clothing aisles that we sold on eBay, this one is the Nike Air Jordan He Got Game retro satin varsity jacket. Check out this number 34 patches right here, the logo right there, and something going on here. And check out also the back, some lettering of Jordan. Hey, not bad, right? Not bad. So we bought this one for $20, and if you can see right there, somewhere like 150 retail. Hey, 150 retail, buying them for $20 minus 30% off, and then we sold it for 76 free shipping. So at least I'm making more than like tripling my money this varsity jacket. So hey, don't sleep on your clothing aisle. If you can see something, check out, do the research. There is a money to be made, not just the shoes. Look also for the clothing, especially look for Jordan clothing. It is profitable. Okay, don't sleep on your clothing. I'm saying it, don't sleep on your clothing if you want to do a profit, not just for sneaker investment. Also look for a clothing investment, Jordan. Okay, next one, looking for the Nike Air Max 70 React, a last pair. So we got the 6.5. So this is the Nike Women's Air Max 270 React. Retail is $150. We bought this one for $49.97 minus 30%, so somewhere around $34.97. And we sold this for $94.99 minus the fees, 2.9 minus the buy cost of $34.97, and it came down to $57. Wow, $57 profit for the cost of $35 buy cost, so somewhere around 170% return on investment. This one sitting less than 4 months. And then I've been preaching about the sizes, especially for women. If you see a profitable item, and if there is a lot of sizes and you can't buy them all, then go with the perfect size, profitable size, and leave the other behind. So got the size 6 and 6.5, and it's all gone. So that is the tip that I've been preaching most of the time. Focus on the sizes, especially if you're looking for women's and men's. Focus on those sizes. If you can't buy them, just buy the only size that profitable. Let's just say got the size in 6 and 6.5, so I grab all the size 6 and 6.5, and now I sold most of it, and that is a good tip for you. Another one we sold, the Nike Air Max Plus TN. This one is retail for $160. We bought this one for $79.97 minus 30%, so it came down to like, hey, $56. Boom, $56 for this Air Max TN, and we sold it on eBay for $106.3 plus shipping, so minus the fees, minus the buy cost of $56, so came down to at least like $19 profit, so like 35% return investment. This one less than 3 months sitting, so not bad for a 35 return investment. Another focusing, if I'm doing the profit margin, less than 3 months, or less than 6 months, I should say, less than 6 months, at least 30 to 40% return investment. And then if 6 to 1 year, at least 50% return on investment. And if I'm going a year or so, more than 100% return investment. So this one, good profit margin for less than 6 months of 35% return of investment. Are you still with me? And almost there. We got the Nike Epic React Flyknit. We sold this for $69.97. I know the retail is $150. We bought it for $69.97 minus the 30, so it's like $49. and we sold it for $87.52, free shipping minus the fees, minus the buy cost of 49, so somewhere around 35, 36, so somewhere around 80% return on investment. Hey, this one more than 6 months, so it was on my category of 80% return on investment. And also I like the color, and check out my size, 10.5. So I said I'm gonna sit on it. This is a running shoes. I'll wait out. This is a good running shoes, and I had me a lot of Nike React Epic React element. So if it's not gonna sell on what price range that I want, I'll take it, I'll use it, I'm gonna use it in the run. So getting them for, I'm selling them for 80% return after 6 months, why not, right? Oh, moving on, looking for the Nike Daybreak. It's here. So here you go, we got this Nike Daybreak undercover collaboration, the retail, and this one is $160, and we bought this one online for $60. Jun Takahashi. Boom. Wow, check that color. I already got me one also in the collection. Still waiting for the courage to wear them because it is yellow and it's somewhat like different, right? Different kind. So we bought this for 60 and we sold this for 152, free shipping, and then minus the fees, so somewhere around 147, 148, minus the buy cost of 60, so somewhere $87 return of investment. Wow, somewhere 87 or 88, so somewhere around 140% return of investment. And this one is not it's like sitting like here more than 3 to 4 months, and I already got the 140% return of investment. Happy because I got me also in the collection. I'll waiting for the summer. What do you think? Can you please leave a thumbs up? Pair that we sold on eBay, it's right here. We got the Air Jordan 14. It's somewhat like the Last Shot, but this is the Ferrari colorway. Boom, look at those. Yep, the Last Shot is much better because it has some kind of the number is much better on this side. Sold this one way above the retail, and the retail on this one is 200. So bought this one for $159.99 minus 20% off, so somewhere around 127, and we sold it way above the retail because the retail is 200. We sold this one for 219. Wow, and the buyer paid for the shipping. Wow, third of 219 minus 2.9 fees, so somewhere 212 minus the buy cost of 127, so came down at least $85. So it's like 65% return of investment. Hey, I've tried this one already. I got me on the collection. It's not that comfortable, but it looks good though. So pagtsagaan na lang, basta gwapong tingnan kahit masakit sa paa. Okay, who wouldn't want that in the collection, huh? Okay, so what do you think? Please leave a comment down below. And that would be all what we sold on eBay. Hope you like it and hope you learned something new on today's sneaker invest blog. And I hope if you really like it, please leave a thumbs up and also leave a comment down below. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. It helps the channel and also it helps the YouTube algorithm. And that being said, Nolasco here. I'll see you on the next one. Mag-ingat po kayo. See ya. Bye-bye.